Hello, dear ones. I want to share something with you today. It changed my whole life. You can change any circumstance you're in, and the change can begin tonight. Here's the part that surprises people. The thing in front of you does not move first. You move first. Then the world catches up. I know that sounds big, so let me show you how it really works. Let me give you the simple version first. Everything in your life is energy. Your body is made of energy. The chair you're sitting in is energy too. Energy vibrating at different densities. And here's the part most people miss. Even your problem is energy. Energy is always moving. It never sits still. And energy follows laws. You already trust laws every day. If you drop a cup and it falls, that's the law of gravity. Well, your life runs on laws too. When you learn the law, you can work with the energy. And when the energy shifts, your circumstances shifts. That's the whole idea. It's not magic. It's just how things really work. Over the next few minutes, I will give you a few simple pieces. Each piece shows you one part of how to change a circumstance. And each one shows you why it can happen overnight. Why overnight? Because the change starts the moment you shift on the inside. The outside takes a little time to catch up, but the shift itself is instant. So let's begin. The first piece is simple. What you send out is what comes back to you. Think of your life like a mirror. You stand in front of it all day long. Whatever you feel, it reflects back. The mirror does not check if your message is good or bad. It just returns what you give it. So if you keep saying, "I'm stuck," it keeps you stuck. If you say, "I have something to give," the doors begin to open. I've watched this in my own life again and again. When I feel small, my words feel small and my world feels small. When I feel worthy, my world opens up. So the first change is the message you're sending. Change the message, and what is reflected back begins to change too. Now, here's the piece that gives this video its name. You can change any circumstance, any of them. Let me show you with a simple piece of paper. So, this is a flat piece of paper. Let it go. And it falls. That's gravity. It's a law. We live by it. Now, let me ask you something. Can I overcome gravity? Yes, I can, and so can you. But only when I learn a higher law. So, watch this. Take that piece of paper and I fold it into a little airplane. Now I give it a push. And look, it doesn't fall anymore, it flies. It even has a place to go. It's still a piece of paper, but it's following a new law now, the law of lift. And that changes everything. Your circumstance is like that flat piece of paper right now. It is falling because it is following one law. You do not have to fight that law. You learn a higher one and you apply it. And the same circumstance starts to fly. And that's how any circumstance can change. And by the way, if you're feeling stuck and you want to manifest the life you actually want, I laid the whole process out in my book, Symphony of Self, Compose Your Life. 15 steps, each with a guided meditation with music I composed to the frequencies and rhythms to emotionally integrate the teaching of each chapter. The link is below. And if you're feeling stuck and ready to reinvent yourself, I do this work in person. Join me at the Symphony of Self retreat in Sedona. Details are linked below. And I have a free resource for you. I made you a free guided meditation that you can try right now. It's linked below at no cost. And here is a piece most people miss. Just knowing this is not enough. You can understand every word I am saying and still nothing changes. And let me tell you why. A thought sits in your head, but your life changes through feeling. Picture that piece of paper, that paper airplane for a moment. You can know exactly how to fold it, but it will not fly until you give it a push. That push is your feeling. Your motion is the fuel. So do not just think about the life you want. Feel it. Feel it like it's already here. That feeling is the engine. Without it, the plane just sits on the table. Now let me show you the overnight part. And I will use a true story from my own life. For 8 years, I had finished a book. It just sat in a file cabinet. It was done, but I had tucked it away. I had given up on it. That was my circumstance. I was stuck. It was going nowhere. Then one night I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I heard it clearly, deeply inside me. The name of your book is Unpacking the Attic. It's time. Share it. I woke my husband and I told him what I'd just heard. The very next morning I opened my email and there was a message already waiting for me. It was from a book publisher. I had never spoken to them before. The thing I had given up on for 8 years moved almost overnight. But notice what happened first. The shift happened inside me at 3 a.m. Then I took one small step. Then the world answered. And that is what overnight really means. You shift on the inside, then you move, and the circumstance follows. And here's one more piece. Maybe this is the most powerful one. Sometimes the circumstance is an old wound, and it feels fixed, like it can never change. But let me tell you about my grandfather. When I was small, my parents took me to visit him. The only 2 words I remember him ever saying to me were, "Sit down." That was it. He never held me. He never talked to me. So my little 3-year-old heart made a choice. It decided, I am not lovable. I carried that for decades. It was my fixed wound. Then, as a grown woman, I learned something. My grandfather had lost his wife. His heart had shut down with grief. It was never about me at all. He simply had no room left to give. So I wrote him a letter. He had passed away by then. And at first I wanted to be angry. How did you do this to me? But what I wrote was this. I'm sorry you were broken. You missed out on one of the greatest joys the universe has to offer, and that is to laugh with your grandchild. We both deserve more. But I forgive you. And I placed the letter in a bowl and I lit it. And as the smoke rose, a wave of energy moved through me. For the first time, I felt love for him. Now here's the important part. The event never changed. My grandfather never changed. But the energy I held around it changed completely. And that changed me. A wound that felt fixed forever lifted in a single moment. That is a circumstance changing overnight from the inside out. And if you want to reinvent yourself and finally manifest the life you actually want, my book, Symphony of Self, Compose Your Life, walks you through all of it. 15 chapters each with its own guided meditation. Go start with chapter 1. It's linked below. And if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and do this work in person, and if you want to start reinventing yourself today, grab my free resources, including a meditation I composed for you. They're all in the link below, so go try it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Come back, see me again soon. And until then, bless you all.